Meantime, Governor Gavin Newsom announcing California's COVID state of emergency will expire in February, and Cal OSHA will no longer require companies to provide COVID paid leave for its employees. All these changes come as coronavirus cases rise in counties across the state. 17's Michaela Armstrong is in studio with more. Michaela?
For the past 2 years, California has tried to slow the spread of COVID by asking sick workers to stay home and guaranteeing their pay. That is about to change, and some Kern County residents are not pleased as COVID cases increase. Adamaris Agosto is a nurse who says losing COVID pay is not what employees like her need.
There's still many people who aren't getting vaccinated, and the spread is still going to be out there. We still have a lot of people in the hospital with COVID, and it's still getting spread to us nurses. So it's very important for us to still be able to get paid while we're home sick.
Agosto says this leaves employees to use pay that was not meant for COVID.
Now we have to use our sick time when COVID pay was originally there in place to help us out with all the people who are getting sick.
In Kern County, there are 1,519 new COVID cases over the past week. This brings the county's totals to more than 298,900 cases of COVID-19 among residents, and 4 new COVID deaths in the county over the past week. However, human resource consultants say the COVID leave change was made because employees still have options.
I think a lot of it had to do with the uncertainty of how long COVID would continue, how much impact this was going to have. And I think employees really do still have options.
Webb says some of the options are standard sick leave, vacation, or paid time off. But as far as employers bringing back COVID pay back on their own, consultant Robin Paggi says unlikely.
COVID is with us, and COVID is an illness just like a lot of illnesses that we have. And people need to remember that there is a safety net available for them through the government.
This new change will last for 2 years as it is a temporary regulation put in place in response to the pandemic. Michaela Armstrong, 17 News.